Hi my Lola babies, and I am back with another video for you guys. I know I have been filming back to back all day because I want to give you guys content frequently and consistently in 2019, and I'm going to do that for you guys. I'm going to try to be on a more of a schedule, so I'll let you guys know the days that I'll be filming and posting. So today's haul is going to be a try-on haul from American Eagle. Their jeans, I love their jeans. I don't know why I never did a haul on their jeans, but I got a few pair of jeans, probably about like 7 to 8 pair of jeans. So I wanted to, show you guys, basically how they fit and the stretch in them. So the first pair of jeans that I have, which is these, are the, I believe that they are the 360 high-waisted jeans, and well, the highest high-waisted jeans, jegging jeans. And these are the jeans. They were I believe $59.95. These jeans are so freaking stretchy. Look at this, y'all. So stretchy. They are super high-waisted. I love them because they have all of these de-stressing in them. Of course, they are straight leg, skinny leg. These jeans are so comfy. Like, I am obsessed with these. They fit really, really good. These are definitely a winner if you want some high-waisted jeans. And I still have stretch, and these are in the size 14 regular. So just imagine, I normally wear 16. These are 14. So you know that they're extra stretch. So you actually go down a size in the American Eagle jeans because they're so stretchy. So let's get into the next pair of jeans. So these next pair of jeans is Next Level super high-waisted jeans again. They actually have buttons going all the way up. These are like the jegging pants. These were $49.95, but as you know, American Eagle always have a sale. They normally do like buy one get one 50% off on their jeans, so you always can catch a deal with them. But they are stretchy as well, and they are high-waisted. They fit amazing. Yeah, these are super cute. These are more of like a, I wouldn't say a light jean, but like a middle, like a medium wash type jean. They don't have any distressing. And yeah, they fit my curves. I love these jeans. They're super cute. Let's get into the next pair. So these jeans are the Next Level 360 high-waisted jegging jeans. These are the black ones. These were $49.95. Of course, they were buy one get one 50% off. And they are super stretchy, of course. Like, so cute. And then on the knee, have like one rip on one knee. It does have some distressing right here, but not too much. They're more of an ashy black, but they're super cute, super high-waisted. Oh my god, this brand, I don't know if it's the brand or the Next Level line. It's so stretchy. Like, I love these jeans, and they just like hugs your curves. So nice. These are my favorite. Perfect. All right, let's get into the next jean. These are just the Next Level, the jegging jeans. I got these in a khaki color. They're not as high-waisted as the other ones, but they're like a little bit of like a high-waisted, but they're not identified as high-waisted, so I didn't expect them to be. They're so stretchy because they're the Next Level line. I also got this in a mustard color, but they're in a dirty clothes and I just did not feel like getting them out. But these are extremely stretchy. They fit my curves. They have a lot of distressing on them, on the knees. And they're so comfortable. They're just not as high-waisted as the other jeans, which is fine with me because they still fit perfectly. And yeah. And these are in like a khaki color. So I love these too. And these, all of my jeans, I know I have not been saying it, but all of them are in the size 14. I have one pair, and that's the kick boot jeans that's in a 16. So most of all of them are in a 14 because they all have stretch. So let's get into the next jean. So this is another pair of the jegging Next Level stretch in the size 14, of course. These are the low rise though. These are not high-waisted. As you can see, they are definitely low rise. They do come up a little bit in the front. These jeans were $59.95 with the buy one get one 50% off. They do have like distressing, but it's not like an open hole distressing. It's more of like a fabric underneath of the distressing, which is cool because it's winter time. So that's perfect if you still want to have that like distressing look but not be cold. So that's definitely this. These are super cute. Yeah, they're definitely low rise because all of this is out, which is fine, but I prefer high-waisted jeans. But these are also, look, stretchy. I can move and everything. Like, these are awesome. So please get these jeans, I'm telling you. Like, look at them. They fit really, really good. Like, they just hug my shape perfectly. So let's get into another pair of jeans. These jeans are the Next Level super high-waisted jegging jeans. Of course, they look high-waisted. These were $59.95. I definitely got them in a 14. They're so stretchy, you guys. I have wore this pair probably about like 5 times already. These are like my favorite ones. Look. Oh my god, these jeans are perfect. High-waisted. Like, look. These are perfect. And they also have the distressing, but the holes are not out. They're like covered with material underneath. Besides like a few little holes, but this part have like, you know, the jean underneath. So they still warm. Look at all this stretch, y'all. Look. No lie, these are perfect. And they just fit and stay. I love these jeans so much. Like, y'all, I can like dip, come back up, and still be perfect. Like, these are perfect. Yes. I love these jeans. High-waisted. American Eagle, get you some. So this pair is the Super Stretch X high-rise jegging jeans. They are a little high-rise, but not that much as my other ones, but they feel good. They still have that stretch look. They're just not as high. These were on the sale rack. I don't know if you guys can see. $29.99. They were originally, I think, like 50 probably. Yeah, probably. And oh my god, they're so cute. Look at these jeans. And this pair actually have a lot of distressing. That's why I got these, because this like open distressing, and I love distressing on all my jeans. So yeah, of course they fit. $20, $29, $30. You cannot beat this. Definitely not as high, but still cute. Still cute. I love these jeans. Yeah, they're perfect. Stretchy. Look Look, y'all, these jeans are stretchy. You can squat in them, definitely. All right, let's get into the last pair of jeans. Okay, these jeans are the Next Level Skinny Kick jeans. These were $39.95. Of course, they're not high-waisted. They're just regular kick flare jeans. As you can see, they're not high-waisted at all. They fit good though. They still have that stretch. Look, they're just not high-waisted. Still extremely stretchy. I love these jeans too. Fit my curves. It's just something different than high-waisted and straight leg. And skinny leg. I just wanted to get a pair that was just regular pair of jeans to wear with anything. But I have 2 more items for you guys. They're not jeans. I have one hoodie and a pair of shoes that I want to show you guys. So continue to watch. So this is a sweatshirt that I got from American Eagle. It's amazingly, I think it's called amazingly soft sweatshirt. It's in like a green. I got it in a large. It was either, I was looking online for the tag, I ripped it off, but it was either $44 or $39. I got it on sale. So but this is it. It's super soft and cozy. Like I said, with this type of jean, I just can throw on a hoodie and just really just go. Yeah, so this is like perfect for like the rain. It has a hood, just comfortable throw on type hoodie, vibing type, you know. So that's that. And yeah, we got one more thing, and that's the shoes. And yeah, I ordered these shoes twice. Okay, I ordered these twice. Yeah, I really did not mean to, but I did. These were $29.95. They're clogs. I would throw these on actually with this outfit. Jeans, hoodie, these comfy. They have like fur in the inside. So comfortable. I ordered them twice, so I'm wearing the other pair. So this is like my fresh pair. But these are super soft and a size 9. Can't beat that. Just something to throw on. And I think that's it, you guys. I appreciate you guys for staying to the end of the video. I hope you guys like the pieces that I actually bought from American Eagle. I'm telling you guys, these jeans are amazing. They're super stretchy. They last a long time. I have had jeans for almost 1 or 2 years from American Eagle. Their quality is amazing. The stretch is out of this world, especially if you're curvy, thick. This is perfect for you. Please check these jeans out. They always have a sale, buy one get one 50% off, so you cannot beat that. Yeah, just go check them out. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sticking with me, subscribing, liking this video. I appreciate you and I love you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.